Namaste. Today we will continue with the 52nd sloka in chapter 2. Yadā te moha-kalilaṁ buddhir vyatitariṣyati tadā gantāsi nirvedaṁ śrotavyasya śrutasya. Yadā te moha-kalilaṁ buddhir vyatitariṣyati tadā gantāsi nirvedaṁ śrotavyasya śrutasya. Bhagavan in the previous sloka had given a bird's eye view of what a karma yogi attains ultimately. He is released from this birth and death cycle. Janma bandha vinirmuktaha. Bhagavan had mentioned the ultimate fruit of starting with karma yoga. Generally, karma yoga gives chitta shuddhi for the person. Chitta shuddhi is purity of mind. Then he gets to listen to the shastras through a guru, which is called as shravanam. Next, he contemplates on what he has listened, which is called as mananam. At this stage, now he has the jnanam that he is Atmasvarupam. However, it is not a living reality. There are old vasanas or samskaras that make him still identify with this body-mind complex. So, the solution is to do nididhyasanam. These are various kinds of meditations or study of the scriptures again, so that the knowledge that we obtain is a direct experience for us. Shastras quote 4 qualifications for jnana prapti. It is also called as sadhana chatushtayam, which we have seen previously. We will quickly see them again today. What are the 4 qualifications for a seeker of the knowledge of the self? Vivekam, vairagyam, kshamadishatka sampatti, mumukshutvam. Vivekam meaning discrimination. Vivichya jhanati. Discrimination simply means that he is able to find what is permanent and what is impermanent. Discrimination in today's world is used in a different connotation. But here it simply means that he is able to analyze and understand which is permanent and which is impermanent. Second qualification is vairagyam, viraga bhavaha, which is detachment. The third thing is kshamadi shatka sampatti, 6-fold treasures. Shama, dhama, uparama, titiksha, shraddha, samadhana. Shama is control of the mind. Dhamma is control of the senses. Uparama is withdrawing from outside activities and turning inward. Titiksha is putting forth with what prarabdha karma throws upon us. Shraddha is complete faith in what Guru and Shastras say. Samadhanam is tranquility of mind. So, these are the 6-fold treasures. Finally, mumukshutvam. Mumukshutvam means desire to get liberated. So, these are the 4-fold qualifications said in the Shastras. Now, let us look at what Bhagavan is saying in this sloka. Yadā te moha-kalilaṁ. Moha meaning delusion. What is delusion? Delusion is understanding what is not good as good and what is good as not good. Ahiteshu hita buddhihi, hiteshu ahita buddhihi. That is one kind of delusion. Another kind of delusion is mixing up of Atma and Anatma. We all mix up the qualities or the attributes of this body and mind with that of the Atma and say that I am tall, I am fat, while these are qualities or attributes of the physical body. Bhagavan here says that moha is kalilaṁ. Kalilaṁ meaning dirt. So, a person who has been practicing karma yoga for a long time crosses this delusion. In other words, he develops vivekam. In the second line, Bhagavan says, tadā gantāsi nirvedaṁ. Nirvedaṁ meaning vairagyam. Śrotavyasya, śrutasya. So he gets vairagyam from what has been heard and what he is going to hear. We can also extend this to other senses, what he has seen and what he is going to see. Simply put, what he has experienced and what he is going to experience. So, a karma yogi who has been practicing karma yoga develops vivekam and vairagyam, and this is the sign of chitta shuddhi. Vivekam and vairagyam are like two wings of the bird, without which it is not possible to attain moksha. We will continue again with the next sloka later. Dhanyavadaha.